Welcome to a quick journey through the world of customer relationship management, or as we commonly know it, CRM. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is CRM? Well, in the simplest of terms, CRM is a strategy that businesses use to manage and improve their interactions with customers. Imagine it as a bridge that connects a business to its customers, allowing for smoother communication, better understanding, and ultimately, stronger relationships. But it's not just about conversations. CRM involves using technology to organize, automate, and synchronize various aspects of a business, including sales, marketing, customer service, and technical support. It's like having a personal assistant that keeps track of all your customer interactions, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. So, in a nutshell, CRM is all about managing the relationship between a business and its customers. It's about creating a win-win situation where businesses understand their customers better, and customers get the service they deserve. Now that we know what CRM is, it's time to understand why it's crucial for businesses. Picture this. A business is like a tree, and its customers are the roots. Just as a tree can't thrive without strong, healthy roots, a business can't prosper without loyal, satisfied customers. This is where CRM comes into play. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is the backbone that strengthens these roots. It helps businesses build and maintain strong relationships with customers, fostering loyalty and increasing sales over time. By understanding customer needs and preferences, a business can tailor its products and services to meet these needs, creating a win-win situation for both parties. But it's not just about sales. CRM also plays a key role in improving customer service. By having a comprehensive view of each customer's history, businesses can provide personalized service, leading to increased customer satisfaction. Therefore, CRM is not just a tool or a process, it's a powerful approach to securing a company's success through satisfied customers. Wondering how CRM actually works? Here's a simple explanation. At its core, CRM is a data collection powerhouse. It pulls in information from various channels like social media, emails, phone calls, and even in-person interactions. Imagine it as a super efficient digital librarian, meticulously organizing a multitude of customer data into easy-to-access files. But CRM doesn't just hoard data, it puts it to work. The system analyzes this data, looking for patterns and trends in customer behavior. Think of it as a detective, piecing together the clues to reveal a comprehensive picture of each customer. So what does this mean for businesses? Well, with this in-depth understanding of customers, businesses can personalize their interactions. Remember that favorite bookstore that always knows your favorite authors? That's CRM at work. It's like a backstage crew in a theater, ensuring every customer interaction is tailored and relevant, creating a seamless and enjoyable experience for the customer. And this experience isn't superficial. It leads to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty, because when customers feel understood and valued, they're more likely to stick around. It's like being at your favorite coffee shop, where the barista knows your order by heart. That feeling of being special, that's what CRM aims to replicate for every customer. By gathering and analyzing customer data, CRM helps businesses deliver personalized experiences that customers appreciate and value. Let's wrap up our quick exploration of CRM with some key takeaways. Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, isn't just a fancy acronym, but a dynamic strategy for managing business-customer relationships. It acts as the backbone of any business, helping to enhance communication and streamline processes. CRM is your trusty sidekick, always ready to provide insight into your customers' needs and behaviors. Remember the importance of CRM for customer satisfaction and business success. A satisfied customer is a loyal customer, and loyalty translates into repeat business. Imagine CRM as a bridge, a vital link between your business and its customers. By understanding your customers better, you can tailor your products, services, and communications to their needs, thereby boosting customer satisfaction and loyalty. Delving into how CRM works, it's all about collecting and analyzing customer data. Think of it as a treasure trove of information, providing you with invaluable insights about your customers. This data is the key to unlock the potential of personalized marketing, improved customer service, and enhanced customer experience. So there you have it, the magical world of CRM in a nutshell. CRM is not just a tool, but a philosophy, a mindset that places your customer at the heart of your business operations. Remember, CRM is a strategy that puts your customer at the center of your business. It's not just about selling more, but about building long-term relationships that benefit both the customer and the business.